Hi everyone, I know this isn't my normal upload time, but I just wanted to make a video checking in with you and to see how you're doing. And I would really appreciate it if you would go into the comments below, tell me where you are in the world, and just tell me how you're doing. So, are you stuck at home? Are you out of work? Are you going to work? Are you an essential worker? Are you really stressed out? Are you enjoying the time off? I just want to know how you are. I'm on here all the time making cooking videos for you, but I don't want my channel to always just be about food. I thought we could take a few minutes to chat with each other too. So right now I'm in my room and I have some soft music playing. I have a candle lit. It's rose scented. I made it myself. I have my salt crystal pyramid lit, and I'm just kind of taking some time before I'm going to make dinner. I like to take some time to relax. You know, if you're a fan of my channel, you probably know I have a playlist on here with meditations. So if you're feeling a little stressed, you can do one of my meditation videos. Or maybe cook yourself a healthy dinner, because the best defense against this virus that's going around right now is to eat healthy, eat lots of fruits and vegetables. But let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any ideas that you want me, any recipes that you want me to make. I'll be doing my What I Eat in a Day video for later in this month, and I've chosen the south of France because I've gotten some competing ideas of what country to do. Somebody recommended Egypt, but somebody recommended the south of France before that person. So I'm going to do that one first, and then maybe the following month I'll do Egypt. So really, I just wanted to check in for a few minutes and say hello and let you know that if you want to talk, I'm always here, and you can put any kind of questions you have down below. And I think I've mentioned this before, but if you are at home and you're maybe looking for some way to make money as a side gig or something, or a side hustle. I am a teacher on Skillshare, and I have some classes on there. And because I'm a teacher, I can offer you 2 free months of Skillshare. And you can always cancel before the 2 months ends, so you don't have to pay anything. But there are thousands of classes on there. And you don't have to take mine. My classes are on, I wrote an introduction to journalism and news writing. I have one about search engine optimization. And I have one where I teach you how to make a logo in Canva. So you learn how to make a logo and you learn how to use Canva in the same video. But I've taken all kinds of classes on there. I'm thinking of taking a watercolor class because I think any kind of artistic technique like that is really relaxing. And I'd like to learn how to maybe make a mobile app, and there are classes on there for all kinds of coding and different languages on there. And I think I've been taking some classes on cinematography, so hopefully I'll be getting a little better with my video technique. Can only benefit you. But I've taken so many classes on there. So I'll drop a link in the description box below if you're interested in that 2 free months. Don't feel pressure. I know this is a crazy time for everybody, and I don't want you to feel pressured to be overly productive or anything like that. But if you are at home and you're bored, or if you're just looking for something to update your skills in this crazy time, I'm here to help. Thanks for joining me for a few minutes. I'm not going to keep you long. I just wanted to say hi and maybe give you a few minutes of some peaceful relaxation time and just hearing someone else's voice. Because if you're stuck in the house by yourself, you're dying for someone to talk to, right? Or maybe you have your kids at home and you're going crazy because you're trying to homeschool them. So maybe you can just take a few minutes for yourself. And please drop me a comment below and just let me know how you're doing, because I really appreciate that you stick with me on this channel, and I just want to make sure that you're doing okay. So I'll see you soon. Bye.